This guy accidentally spilled coffee on his pants. Without hesitation, he took them off and tossed them into the microwave to dry. And that's how his boss, Pete, ended up wandering around the office late at night wearing nothing but his underwear. Suddenly, Pete heard the sound of the door opening. He panicked and ducked out of sight. Just then, Mary, the cleaner, walked in. She turned off the light, which Pete had left on, and muttered under her breath in annoyance. Thinking she was alone, she started venting out loud. She pointed her duster at a photo of Pete and said, "That foolish boss of ours, walking in every day with that ridiculous orange tie, telling jokes only he finds funny." Hearing this, Pete instinctively glanced down at his own orange tie. Then Mary pointed at a picture of John and suddenly started praising him, because John always approved her raises. The reason? She often slept with him. Right at that moment, the microwave beeped. Startled, Mary called out, "Who's there?" When no one came out from behind the desk, she picked up a watering spray bottle and cautiously moved closer. Realizing he was caught, Pete crawled out from under the desk. Mary was so shocked she sprayed him right in the face with water. "What are you doing here?" she asked in disbelief. "I came to hear what you really think," Pete replied. He asked her if she truly thought he was that foolish and whether she was really sleeping with John for money. Mary didn't answer. Instead, she said, "Isn't it a bit inappropriate for you to be standing in the office in just your underwear?" Extremely embarrassed, Pete explained that it wasn't what it looked like. His pants were in the microwave. Looking at how utterly awkward the situation was, Mary asked, "So, what do we do now?" Pete said, "Tonight never happened. We didn't see each other. You don't tell anyone, and I won't either." They both agreed. Before leaving, Mary couldn't resist adding, "You should really change that orange tie."